Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to install and mount solar water heater. So before you do anything, you unbox and then you connect the frame. This is how we do it. You connect the frame and make sure it's tight, so you strengthen it with bolts. Like this. And you have to know which part goes where. So you can't guess, you have to know which part goes the where. And it has to be strong for it to hold that tank with water. So these are the supporters. So you have to cut some parts of the video to make it a little bit short, but still show you the procedure or every step. So as you can see, this X part comes at the end, and this upper part here is where the tank will be held. After finishing, we take it to the roof. After taking it to the roof, you mount it to the roof using screws, making sure you don't spoil someone's roof. Don't go to solve a problem and create another one. So after finishing mounting the frame, we bring our tank up and put it at that point. This is where it's supposed to be. You have to make sure it's straight, and you have to make sure water will come in at that place, the place that you have placed the tank. Make sure the water will come directly there. After finishing mounting our tank, you put this assistant tank. This is the inlet, this is the breather, this is the inlet for cold water, and then this is the outlet for cold water. This is assistant tank is the one that regulates the water that gets into the tank. It avoids overflow and the salt. So after doing that, you connect these other pipes, the one that brings water to this place and the one that takes water, supplies water to the house, like that. After finishing that, you put them in soap so that they slide. You start putting your tubes. These tubes are the ones that heat the water, and they are very delicate. You have to be very careful when installing them. So you put the safety rubber there, you put soap for it to slide slowly into its place. So you do it slowly like that. Then you tighten the main tank. Then you continue putting your tubes slowly until you finish installing them. So it's like that. You can see we have mounted our assistant tank, and this is the end result. So like and subscribe for you to see our other videos.